Hello, this is a video to share with you how to access live streams powered by Crowdcast on your Patreon account. So first you will want to log into your Patreon account. I am logged in as a patron and I am supporting Dr. Barry, and you can see that over here. When a Crowdcast link is launched, there will be a post. This one has previously passed, but this is posted about 30 minutes before the Crowdcast begins. So you will just click watch the live stream. It'll bring you to a Crowdcast page. Here it'll say watch live stream. Now it says watch replay, but it works the same way. So watch live stream, and you'll have to sign in again with your Patreon, and you're going to say allow. From here, if you're signing in with the Patreon that you are already logged in with, it'll automatically log you in. This is the email that I want to use to join my Patreon event. So you'll type that in here. To join the Patreon event, you'll type in your email in this box, and then you'll agree to the terms and services and join the event. And you'll put your name and register. You are now in the event. If this were live, you would see Dr. Barry on the screen. You can see all the comments coming in. I'm watching the replay, so I'm going to press play.
Hello, friends. Welcome back.
Well, I think Kenberry, it was yesterday.
Oh,
So there's Dr. Barry and Nisha Barry on the Crowdcast. You can see that you can ask questions here. So you can join the questions here, ask a question or suggest a topic to submit it there. You can make comments over here. And that is how you access Crowdcast through Patreon. Thanks.